Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make beef Mapo Tofu. So let's get started. I prefer using the silken tofu because it's nice and silky. But if you prefer using the firm tofu, just go ahead and use that instead. Slice them in half and then cut them in small cubes, just like this. Here I have 2 green onions. Finely chop them and set them aside. I like to marinate my beef with a little cornstarch and soy sauce. The cornstarch will actually tenderize the beef and the soy sauce will bring out the flavor. Let's begin making our Mapo Tofu sauce. You'll need 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of chili bean sauce, also known as dalban sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of water, and mix all the ingredients well. Let's stir fry our ingredients together. On high heat, add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and stir fry for 1 minute. Now add in your ground beef and stir fry until fully cooked, or this will take approximately 3 minutes. Now that our ground beef is fully cooked, add in the sauce and stir fry for approximately 2 minutes. If you want to know more about my channel, click the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. Add in 1 cup of water and stir fry for 1 minute. Since we're using silken tofu for this recipe, just slowly add it to the pan. When stirring up the tofu, make sure you stir from the bottom up. They always say a good Mapo Tofu is when your tofu doesn't break apart. And stir fry for 2 minutes. Add in half of the green onions now and the other half for garnishing later. And stir fry for 1 minute. Now let's prepare the slurry mixture. In a bowl you need 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch and 1.5 tablespoons of water. Making sure the heat is still on high, you pour the mixture around the Mapo Tofu. And stir fry until the gravy thickens up. Just like this. Then add in the rest of the green onions for garnishing. And here you have it, simple and delicious Mapo Tofu. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now. See you next time.